Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Avenger computer. First, locate your car's battery under the hood. You'll need a wrench to loosen the negative terminal. This simple step can often resolve minor electronic glitches. We'll also cover another easy method using the fuse box. Resetting your computer can improve performance and clear error codes. Let's get started with the first method right away. The battery disconnect method is a common way to reset your car's computer. After locating your battery, identify the negative terminal, which often has a minus symbol. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the cable from this terminal. Ensure the cable does not touch any metal parts. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes to allow the computer's capacitors to fully discharge. Then, simply reattach the cable securely. Another straightforward approach involves the fuse box. Your Dodge Avenger has a fuse box, usually found either under the hood or inside the cabin, often beneath the dashboard. Refer to your owner's manual to pinpoint the specific fuse for the powertrain control module, or PCM, sometimes labeled as the engine control unit. Carefully pull this fuse out using a fuse puller or small pliers. Leave it out for 10 to 15 minutes, then reinsert it firmly. After performing either reset method, it's important to let your car's computer relearn. Start your Dodge Avenger and allow it to idle for about 5 to 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. This helps the system recalibrate. Then, drive your vehicle normally for a short period, experiencing various speeds and conditions. This process helps the computer adapt to your driving style and optimize engine parameters, often resolving minor issues and improving overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.